Hi, boys and girls, and welcome. Today I have your read aloud for you, in keeping with the theme of our week of learning about different animals. I have a book for you called Birds. It's written by Chuck Garofano, and I noticed on the front cover there's a picture of a tropical bird. Would you look at that? Let's take a look and a listen. Birds. Do you know what kind of bird this is? It looks like a hummingbird. They're very quick and they're actually very small. I actually saw one of these at my house last summer, and it wasn't until someone pointed it out to me. Good thing they did, otherwise, I would have missed it. This pelican has a big, long beak. There is a deep sac of skin under its beak. The sac holds fish that the pelican scoops up from the water. Do you see it? Right there. This bird is a roadrunner. It lives in the desert and spends most of its time on the ground. It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs. The roadrunner runs very fast to get its food. I wonder if that's how it got its name. This toucan lives in the rainforest. It has a big, colorful beak. It uses its beak to pick fruit from trees. And this was the bird that was on the front cover of our book. It's a toucan. This big bird is an emu. It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a large body, but it has it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. Can you think of another bird that can't fly? Hmm. This puffin eats small fish. It is short and fat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of their time in the sea. They swim under the water with their wings. Most owls come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see in the dark. Their feathers are very soft. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in one place when they fly. They use their long beaks and tongues to get food from flowers. When I saw the hummingbird outside my house, it was hovering and beating its wings very quickly right near my hanging basket. I'm going to try and get the same one this year and see if I can get any pictures of it. If I do, I'll be sure to share. Eagles fly high above the ground. They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land and water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their feet and beaks to catch food and rip it apart. Cockatoos have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts. Cockatoos live in large groups. They can be very loud. Vultures eat dead animals. Many have no feathers on their heads. Many have big holes in their beaks. The holes help them to smell food from far away. And that was all about Birds. Boys and girls, tell someone around you what the main idea and some key details are about the birds you've learned about today. I think it's easy to say that this book was all about birds, and we learned about so many different kinds of birds. Pick two that you learned about and share a fact about each. Off you go, readers.